This is gonna blow your mind. Snoring isn't just annoying, it's a health hazard. Snoring isn't just a bedtime buzzkill. It can mess with your sleep, your mood, and even your heart. Yeah, your ticker ain't happy with all that noise, but don't worry, I got you covered. First off, try sleeping on your side. Gravity helps keep that airway open. No fancy gadgets needed. Second, ditch the late night snacks. Heavy meals can make snoring worse. And hey, maybe drop a few pounds. Extra weight can squeeze your airway tighter than my aunt's hug at Thanksgiving. Lastly, avoid booze before bed. Alcohol relaxes your throat muscles and not in a good way. So ditch the snore and catch some more Z's. Your body will thank you. And hey, if all else fails, see a doc. Sometimes it ain't just snoring, it's sleep apnea. Better safe than sorry, right? Alright, now go sleep tight and don't let the bed bugs bite. Or, snore.